Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy 17 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to enable auto brightness in your phone. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. After that, scroll down, then go to display option, and that's it. Here under the brightness option you can find adaptive brightness option. So just tap here to enable this option, and that's it. You can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you enable this option in your phone, then your phone brightness will be set automatically according to your environment brightness. That's it. Now for the second method, just go to home screen and then swipe from top to bottom, and here you can find a brightness slider. So just touch and hold here, and here it is. You can also enable or disable adaptive brightness option from here. Just tap here and then tap on done, and it's done. And that is how you can enable or disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness in your Samsung Galaxy 17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.